Picture yourself in the 2026 Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, keyless start. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.